Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about question and answers. Very important video for those students who not get any reply from us because comments on YouTube channels are too much, so that's why it's difficult for a reply to everyone. So type in Google. No, I'll give you the solution of this problem. So type in Google CSE Guide official and click on the first link. So you can see here's the detail about all scholarship about China, but question and answers. Here's the category about question and answers. Click on that question and answers category and click again. So you can see here is the question and answer of your of your questions about China scholarship. Question number 1, and here is who asked this question, and the answer is I'll keep updating on daily basis the questions which you asked on YouTube channel and in comments box, and mostly students asked from on our website. So I'll give you your question solution on this category. So here you can type your question here, comment and post a comment. I'll give you the answer of your video and post your answer here. Or if you want to, if you have any question, then you can also comment your question in comment box of any of our YouTube video on CS Guide official YouTube channel. But I'll prefer those questions who comment on website, who comment on CS Guide official website, this category. Okay, hope so you will you'll get your answer here, and in future you will get your problems. You will solve. Hope so you can get your answer on CS Guide official YouTube channel. Good luck and take care of yourself, and we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.